CryptoEL here. Welcome, subscribe to the channel and let's start with the video. This video will be interesting because today is the last day of the year, 31st of December, and I done something really helpful for all of the people that are beginners and also for the people that are searching for the right structured step-by-step guide how actually to make money. What I provide. The video will be posted tomorrow, and when you enter my Discord you will see on the resources 9 videos: the monopoly, the percents, the subscriptions, how to have an edge, resources, blueprint, this is the most important one, routine, learning from yourself, and doing what you love without fear. And here you're gonna have the links that are provided. All the links will be also under the descriptions. So what you're gonna find is when you join the Discord you will receive free tweets that you can follow and based upon which you can simply trade. And the blueprint, the 6th of the video, will give you all the information, will tell you exactly how I trade and exactly how you can make money. I'm using Novabot and BullX. Also I'm using different softwares that are giving me edge over the other people, and I'm providing all of the informations, all of the filters in here, the filters of the buying bot, of the BullX. I'm showing all of that. I'm showing how to actually find out if it's complete scam, how to check about the volume, how to see all of that. And actually there are more things to come. There is one thing that I didn't share. You can simply put, I have it in a videos in the channel, and if you are interested I can make a strict video and to add it in the Discord. How to add wallets that you would like to track and which are simply buying and doing all the stuff if you keep them alerted. And those wallets could be potential buying opportunity. So you're gonna have so much edge. Probably at least I shared at least 5, even more things that will give you edge all over, and they will add up. So I'm telling you, you don't want to miss that. And on top of everything, it's completely for free. The tweets are completely for free. Everything is completely for free. This could be a course and somebody can sell this to you for $1,000, $2,000, $4,000 with 50% discount, but I'm giving it away free, and it will be like that. So take advantage. If you want to learn something, remember that the information could be free. Not only could be free, but from my point of view the most important information is actually free. You will find out my way of thinking kinda in all of those videos, and you will find out about things that you never thought about. So take advantage. It will be my pleasure. Thank you for your time and see you soon.